Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of this fashion mistakes series. If you're new here, I shot part 1 last week. The link to that video is down in the description, so make sure you watch it after this video. And let's get started on this video. We all love to wear black, dress shirts, dress pants, sweaters. Now, all of those fabrics, colors, and silhouettes make you look absolutely powerful. But with great power comes great responsibility. Lint. No, not the chocolates. I know you were thinking about the chocolates. This one. A simple solution for this is to just get a lint roller, and in 20 seconds you'll be done with it and on your way. A lot of people do not take care of their clothing, not using the right kind of detergent, not washing it in cold water, or using the right kind of a setting on your washer. This actually destroys your fabric, changes its look, and wears it out even before you get the full return on the money that you paid for it, and it eventually ends up costing you more because you have to replace it. When washing some of your really high quality fabrics, especially the delicates, make sure that you look at the manufacturing label to see the proper instructions on how to take care of your fabric. Have you ever come back home after a 2-hour outing when your outfit smells absolutely fresh and dropped it into the laundry basket? Well, every time that you wash your fabric deteriorates, and that means the faster you'll have to replace that piece of clothing. Before doing this the next time, know that it is okay for you to wear the outfit again a second time, provided you never sweat in it and it still smells fresh, or unless it absolutely requires a wash because a bird shat on you. No, really guys, that happens sometimes. If you think there is anything that I have missed in parts 1 and 2, put it down into the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in part 3.